To create a country song on Suno AI is easy. You're going to open up Suno and then you're going to select Create. From here, you want to start by selecting Advanced and then you want to choose which version model that you're going to use. If you do have a subscription, you can switch to version 5.5 or you can just stick with your version 4.5 as it is available for everyone. So this one right here. So go ahead and choose your specific model and then you want to choose whether you're going to have lyrics or not. So you can have your own lyrics written in right here, or you can choose a prompt for the lyrics that you want to include, or you can choose to set it to instrumental. You can choose to add your own audio, your voice, or your own song inspiration for your creation. It's up to you to decide if you want to use these or not. Then you can scroll down, and from here, you now want to reference your styles. Now, referencing a style simply allows you to tell the AI what specifically you want when it comes to your song. Whether you want dark country, Italian, with Italian influences, or if you want pop country, just whatever it is that you want in that specific country song, go ahead and put it in. Doesn't have to be like a super created prompt. You can just type in specific random words and it should have an idea on what you want. So for me right now, I have this specific prompt that I created earlier. So let's just go ahead and use it. You can see here it says outlaw country, which is fine with some rock, mythic pop influences. So go ahead and just paste your prompt there. Now, from here, you want to scroll down and you want to choose whether you're going to exclude specific items from your song. Maybe if you want it to be just a pure dark country song, you can choose to exclude like some light country or whatever it is that you want to exclude. You can choose to exclude pop rock if you want, up to you. Then you can also choose to customize the weirdness and style influence. This, however, does mean that you do need to pay for your subscription, so you can go ahead and choose that. If you choose to have lyrics, you can also choose whether you want a male or female singer to sing your song. Then give your song title a name. It is optional. And then you can choose where you want it to save to specifically and just select the option create. Then all you need to do is simply wait for the AI to successfully create your country song. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.